Hey, what's up everyone, so it's your boy Ashway Gaming. Well, in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna place an order on Amazon, okay, using gift cards. Alright, so first you'll need a VPN, okay, if you're not located in the US, okay, so otherwise this website will not let you buy Amazon US cards, okay, Amazon US gift cards. Alright, so here all you need to is to search for Amazon cards, and if I go to my Amazon, if I click my order, and as you can see I have added this a graphic cards. Alright, okay, I know it's not the best graphic cards right now, but as you can see it's only $257.49, okay, and I badly need a hard drive. Alright, so and my total it becomes over 300. Alright, so when I add the shipping extra it becomes over $419. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write 419. Alright, so this Bitrefill guys, this website, it lets you to pay via Bitcoin, alright, with cryptocurrency money. So I'm gonna add to cart. This is really easy, and I'm gonna click checkout. Okay, so here once it here I'm gonna click Bitcoin, and I'm gonna select wallet. So I'm gonna pay with Binance. Okay, Binance Pay, switch to Binance Pay. Okay, alright, so this is a Binance app, okay, and it gives you 30 minutes, otherwise it will be expired. Okay, now all I need to do is I'm gonna log into my Binance app. Okay, I'm gonna launch my Binance app on my phone, and I'm gonna scan this QR code. Alright, and here as you can see it says confirm payment, so I'm just gonna click confirm, and here it's gonna ask you your Binance Pay, so just enter the your PIN. Alright, and hit confirm. Alright, and as you can see, payment success. Okay, I've received what, 1 BUSD voucher. Alright, so here as you can see, order completed. Here we go, order completed. Click here to unseal, and then we're gonna copy this Amazon code. When I go to Amazon over there, and I'm gonna refresh the page. As you can see, refresh. I'm gonna hit paste to apply it. Okay, I'm gonna apply the code, and as you can see, you have successfully redeemed your claim code. And cross-check if your shipping address is correct, and the country, phone number, etc. And here as you can see, order total will be $0.0. so that means it has successfully, you have successfully redeemed the code, and all you need to do is to click place order. Okay, and as you can see, voila, boom, order place. A confirmation will be sent to your email, shipping to blah blah blah. Okay, so as you can see guys how it works, so it's really easy. Alright, so as you can see, I've placed 3 or 4 orders from the past 3 months. Okay, so as you can see, I've bought this AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. Okay, I've purchased Asus Prime B450 MA2 AMD AM4. Okay, Ryzen 5000s already. Alright, this 16 gigabyte kit. Alright, 650 watt power supply, and CPU cooler, the fans, okay, 120 millimeter fans, SSD, and then the PC case. Okay, gone with this one, and now I'm buying graphic cards, okay, a GPU. Alright, so yeah, I could go with RX 6600 XT, but I'm thinking that it's gonna bottleneck. Okay, it's gonna be a bottleneck unless I change this. I go with a Ryzen 7 5800X instead of G series processors.